What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back at it with another Harley video for you guys. Today we're gonna race my Stage 1 114 Road Glide Special against my dad's Stage 2 Road Glide Special with the 114 in it as well. Both bikes have the M8 Milwaukee 8 motor. He's just Stage 2 with a 2-in-1 D&D billet cat exhaust, an Arlen Ness intake, and a tune by Fuel Moto via the Power Vision DynoJet Power Vision tuner. And we just, if you didn't see my last upload, we just put a S&S 475C cam in his 114, and man, does that thing sound so good. As you can see here, he added the 114 Stage 2 timing cover here from Screaming Eagle. That's a Harley part. So yeah, Stage 2 versus Stage 1. I have a Fuel Moto Jackpots 2-in-1 exhaust with a Roland Sands air cleaner and a Power Vision tuner tuned by Fuel Moto. Stage 1 versus Stage 2. We're gonna see how much faster the Stage 2 Road Glide is than the Stage 1. This video will give you guys a good comparison and performance difference between the Stage 2 and a Stage 1. Now, I did do a sound comparison in the last video between the Stage 1 that used to be on this bike and now with the Stage 2 cam. That S&S 475 cam definitely thumps a lot harder than the stock cam, so make sure you guys go check out that video. Let's line these two bikes up to see how much faster the Stage 2 is than my Stage 1.
Different lanes.
Alright guys, so as you saw in the video, the Stage 2 114 came out ahead up top. My bike with the Stage 1 got out down low on the Stage 2 bike because the gear ratio is a little different now that this bike has a cam and mine doesn't. As you can see in the video, I jumped out on him. We both left at the same time, but I was in second gear the first race, he was in third, and then in the second race I was in first gear and he was in second. So the first race was a 40-mile-an-hour roll. We did like 40 to 100 or whatever. I didn't even know what we let off at, but as you can see in the video, the stage 2 bike puts about 3 to 4 bike lengths on a stage 1. That's just crazy to me that a simple cam can make that much of a difference in performance, guys. Like, that's just insane to me, but it's well worth the money. Here's your comparison video, stage 1 versus stage 2. There you have it. Like I said, the first roll was a 40 roll, second roll was a 20 roll. I was in first gear the second pass, he was in second. He started out in second, and as you can see, I jumped out, but then as soon as he pulled second and third, he just reeled me back in and passed me like I was standing still and put about 3 to 4 bike lengths on me on the big end. But there you have it, guys. Alright guys, so we just got the bike home in the garage. What a nice day of riding it was. Not too many more nice days left here in Michigan. Unfortunately, the summer is coming to an end. Right about mid-September is when the weather really starts changing into the fall temps and it starts getting pretty cold out. So we don't have too many nice nights and nice days to ride. So I'm going to try to pump out some more Harley content for you guys and do some more riding, you know, before the end of the season, because as we know it, winter is going to be here before we know it. Basically, in today's video, I just wanted to give you a comparison between my bike, which is a Stage 1 114 Road Glide Special, against my dad's Stage 2 114 Road Glide Special. And just to recap, he has the S&S 475C cam, and I currently just have the Stage 1 kit, and my bike runs flawless. I absolutely love it. It feels super fast, it's reliable, I never have any issues with it. But I line up next to my dad's with the cam and bye-bye. I mean, he put like 3 to 4 bike links on me, which is crazy to me. I didn't think it would pick up that much power, but it definitely shows in the video. So make sure you go back to my last video and watch that install and more sound clips of that. Sounds amazing. I'm definitely going to be putting that exact cam in my bike, probably over winter. I have a lot of projects going around the house right now, so I don't have time to do it right now, but I'm probably going to attack that project over the winter in my bike, because as you guys can see in the video, it makes a huge difference in performance, and on top of that, it sounds amazing, guys. So Make sure you guys go check out that video if you haven't yet. But basically, that's going to do it for today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate all your support on the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace!